Self-image is solely determined by physical appearance. False self-image is a multidimensional construct encompassing thoughts, feelings, and beliefs about oneself that extend beyond physical appearance. Researchers like Daryl Baim have shown that self-perception includes personality traits, intelligence, abilities, and social relationships. 1. Recognize the diverse aspects of your identity that form your self-image. 2. Challenge beauty standards and societal norms that focus solely on physical appearance. 3. Cultivate self-awareness by reflecting on your strengths, values, and accomplishments. Amy, a talented artist with low self-esteem due to society's emphasis on physical attractiveness, begins to acknowledge her artistic skills and contributions to the community, boosting her overall self-image. Your self-image is more than just your physical appearance. It encompasses various aspects of who you are as a person. Improving self-image requires drastic changes in appearance. Partially false. While changing one's appearance can positively impact self-image, it is not the only solution and may not work for everyone. Research suggests that internal factors like self-acceptance, self-compassion, and positive self-talk are equally important in enhancing self-image. 1. Practice self-acceptance by acknowledging and appreciating your unique qualities. 2. Engage in positive self-talk to counteract negative thoughts about yourself. 3. Cultivate self-compassion by treating yourself with kindness and understanding. John, who felt insecure about his weight, began practicing self-compassion and focusing on personal accomplishments rather than physical appearance. As a result, he experienced an improvement in his overall self-image. While changes in appearance can impact self-image, it is not the only solution. Focusing on internal factors like self-acceptance, self-compassion, and positive self-talk can also lead to significant improvements. A positive self-image is an unrealistic goal for most people. False studies demonstrate that a positive self-image is achievable for everyone, regardless of their background or circumstances. Researchers like Albert Bandura have shown that self-efficacy, believing in one's ability to succeed, plays a critical role in enhancing self-image. 1. Set achievable goals and take small steps towards reaching them. 2. Develop a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. 3. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small, to build confidence and reinforce positive self-beliefs. Sarah, who struggled with low self-esteem due to financial difficulties, started setting achievable goals related to her career and finances. As she achieved these goals, her confidence grew, leading to an overall improvement in her self-image. A positive self-image is achievable for everyone, regardless of their circumstances. Focus on setting achievable goals, developing a growth mindset, and celebrating your accomplishments to build self-efficacy. Having a high self-image means being arrogant or narcissistic. False. A healthy self-image does not equate to arrogance or narcissism. In fact, research shows that a positive self-image is associated with increased emotional intelligence, better relationships, and overall well-being. 1. Understand the difference between a healthy self-image and arrogance narcissism. 2. Practice humility by acknowledging your limitations and seeking feedback from others. 3. Focus on empathy and compassion towards yourself and others to foster emotional intelligence. Michael, who initially struggled with feelings of superiority due to his high self-image, began practicing humility and focusing on empathy. As a result, Hook discovered the truth behind common myths about self-image and learn how to break free from limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Why it matters. Understanding the complexities of self-image is crucial for personal growth, mental health, and overall well-being. By debunking these myths, we can foster a more accurate and positive self-perception, leading to improved relationships, increased confidence, and enhanced quality of life. Table of Contents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mini case study. Common misconceptions. Pitfalls: believing that self-image is solely determined by physical appearance, thinking that drastic changes in appearance are necessary for self-improvement, assuming a positive self-image is unattainable or associated with arrogance. Narcissism: misunderstanding the role of external validation in maintaining a positive self-image, believing that past mistakes and failures cannot be overcome when changing one's self-image, thinking that a positive self-image is an inflexible trait that cannot be changed. What changed in the last 7 days? Actionable Playbook 1, 2, 3. Recap. FAQ 1. Answers to these questions.